Hello again, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is a little bit of a different video. It's not a build video. I actually built something that I'm submitting to San Diego Automotive Museum. So this collection is like little steampunk drones. I built this owl. So got the owl. Got this little camera car. These are all be hanging. Anyways, got the little camera car, and I have the bird. So yeah, I've been slacking with the videos lately. I've been pretty busy working on these. And yeah, like I said, they will be on display at the San Diego Automotive Museum. So definitely go check them out. See you guys in the next video. Bye.